Okay, so next we're going to correct page 78 of the mental maths. Okay, the first question there, time in 24-hour, 12:35 a.m. would be written as 00:35. 14 divided by 2 is 7 plus 3 is 10. 25% of 100 would be 25. 10,007, take 9, so take away 10 and add 1 back on. So that's 9,997 and add 1 back on, 8. The sum of 10 €2 coins and 10 20-cent coins. 10 €2 coins would be €20 and 10 20-cent coins would be €2. So the total is 22. 2,900 times 10, you just add a 0, 2900, and add a 0. 29 is half of, so you're doubling the 29 to get the answer. So 58. Number 8, you need to order new carpet for your classroom, which measures 8 meters by 7 meters. How much carpet? So that's an area question. So area is length by width. So 8 sevens are 56 meters squared. 56. Okay, the next one then is question 9. 3/4 equals what percentage? 75%. Number 10, 0.9 plus 0.09, 0.99. 12 divided by what equals 6? 2. Question 12, the perimeter. So we're adding up all the sides. So I like to start at 1 point and then I tick them as I add. 4 and 2 is 6 and 2 is 8 and 8 and 3 is 11 and 3 and 2 is 13 and 5 is 18. 18 meters. Okay, so moving on. Next we're going to have a look at number 13. So number 13 then, it says Susie earns €180 per day. How much does she earn in 5 days? So it's €180 and it's timesing it by 5. Quick way is to say 5 times 100 is 500, 5 times 80 is 400, giving you €900. The number after 150,999, you're going up to the next 1,000, so 151,000. Now, this one here, so first we begin by saying 4 into 8 goes twice, 4 into 2 goes 0 times, keeping your decimal point with 2 over, and 4 into 28 will go 7 times, so 20.7. Worth practicing a few more of those. I've noticed some mistakes in some of the copies and some of the mental maths in the last few weeks and months, so mightn't be any harm to revise over that chapter as well. Okay, number 16, which letter is symmetrical? So E is symmetrical. How many degrees? That's a straight angle, so 180 degrees. The value of the 3, so the value of the 3 in 24.035, so this one here, it is the hundredths position, so the correct answer is the second one here. Number 19, 4 3/4 pizza pieces are. So what you're imagining there is 4 pizzas, well 4 3/4, and another one of those. There's another 3, and another 3/4, and another 3/4. So we have 3/4, there's 1, there's 3/4, that's 2 lots of 3/4, that's 3 lots of 3/4, and that's 4 lots of 3/4. So altogether, that will be 3 whole pizzas. Now a quick way of working that out is to say 3/4 times 4 would be 12 quarters. 12 quarters would be 3 full pizzas, 3 full holes. 9.65 minus 3.24. So you can quickly subtract straight across, and 6.41 is the correct answer for that one. Okay, don't forget to total up your score as well. Next we're going to have a look at Thursday's mental maths. So the time in 24 hour, we have 12:10 p.m. So 12 double dot 10. Okay, 0.7 plus 0.07, 0.77. Rounding to the nearest thousand. Now, a lot of people made mistakes on this the last day. When you're rounding to the nearest thousand, you're looking at the number in the thousand position, you're looking at the number after it. So if it's 5 or more, this number will go up to the next thousand. So the answer is 18,000. Lots of activities online for that. I might put them up as well. 9 divided by 3 would be 3. Add 3 would be 6. 4/10 of 70. So you're saying 10 into 70 is 7 times, and times the 4 is 28. Next we have 3/4 is 0.75. Next we have 10,002 take away 9. So what you're imagining there is taking away the 2 to get you to 10,000 and then take away 7. So 9, 9, 9, 3. 400 divided by 40. So you can zap your zeros and then imagine 4 into 40 is 10. 17 over 4 is a mixed number would be, how many times does 4 go into 17? 4 times with 1/4 left over. 25% of 40 is like getting 1/4 of 40, 1/4 of 40. 4 into 40 goes 10 times. 0.04 is greater than 0.4. That's false. It's smaller. Next we have 4/10 equals 0.4. The place value of the 9, so this one here, that's the thousandths. 4 and 4/7 as an improper fraction, so you're making it top heavy. So you're saying 4 lots of 7/7, which would be 28, and the 4 is 32/7. The place value of the 0, this one here, is the thousandths. Notice the spelling there. Now, for this one, the quick way is to multiply these two and get 100, and then add your 2 zeros. When you multiply by 100, you just add 2 zeros. Number 17, 1/4 plus 1/2. Imagine 1/2 is 2/4, so you get 3/4. Angle A. Now on this one, the 3 angles of a triangle must add to 180. So you add 70 and 55, and that gives you 125 degrees. And then you must take away that from 180, because the 3 angles of a triangle must equal 180. So this angle must be 55 degrees, because 70 plus 55 plus 55 makes 180. So A equals 55 degrees. Number 19 then, 6 pizza halves are. So you're imagining 6 halves, that would be 3 whole. 6 halves equals 2 into 6, goes 3 times, 3 wholes. If you stack triangles flat on top of one another, what 3D shape will you make? So you're stacking a triangle on top of a triangle, 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 on top of a triangle. And as you can see, you are making a triangular prism. Okay, that's all from page 78.